Hello, beautiful people. Hope you guys are doing well, and thank you so much for joining today. So, I want to answer this question based on what I have seen. I know many of you are new to the platform. Again, welcome. This is our main page, and here we are going to be talking about Jackpot and everything that involves Jackpot. I hope you understand. Thank you. So, somebody was saying that if you want to jackpot abroad, you can jackpot anytime. No, it is wrong. It's not all the time, especially the academic pathway. Please remember, I don't do visas. I only guide people, all right, through one-on-one calls. Then I also do admissions to the Netherlands and Lithuania as for now because it depends on my schedule. So you know how to reach me. First thing first, the call is very important so I understand what you actually need. Now, let's go further. So this guy reached out to me a few days back and said, this is the message. Hello, Milton. I want to move as fast as possible abroad. My budget is 1.8 million. I want to go as fast as possible because of some issues back home. And thanks, I'm waiting for your response. Well, I'm just trying to go through the messages now. Then I realize that there is a message like this. Now, let me talk about it. First of all, let's address the budget. He says he wants to move with 1.5 million. Is that money enough? It is not enough. You cannot, there is no way you can use that amount of money and you jackpot to Europe now as I'm talking to you if you are the one sponsoring yourself. Because the reason is simple. You have to pay tuition deposit, then you do proof of funds. Now, remember, proof of funds entails that you have money in your account. Somebody was equally asking me, Milton, we can do the other way. I totally understand the other way you are talking about, but that is risky, bro, because most of these embassies, they are checking those things now, except that you are really dealing with somebody who is a specialist in that area, which I don't encourage. Do not quote me wrongly. Now, I have addressed the issue of this budget. Let's go back to the issue of I want to move fast, fast, fast. Look, if you want a jackpot, there are two things you need to put into consideration. The intake in which you want to move, because not all universities are open at any time. Like there is a timeline. Okay. For example, if you want to move to Germany, note that you can apply. There is a time schools are open, which is from now till like April, May 2025. Then you can start studies September. Another intake for that same Germany is the April intake, which you can apply from probably September, October, November. Then after that, December, January, you start prepare. Then you move to Germany by March and start your lectures April. But in another country like Italy, there is only one intake, okay, which is a September intake, and admissions is open now. In another country like Austria, there are also two intakes. You have February, March, and you have October, November. In other places like Canada, there are four intakes. You have January, you have May, you have September. I think there are four. You have January, you have May, April, you have July, then you have October, November, something like that. But Canada, and it also depends on the university or the school in which you are going into it. Hello. So that is how all these things operate. Please, it's not any time that you can move abroad as a student because most schools are open during specific time interval. Let me put it that way. The English may not be perfect. And you need to also look at your budget. This place that I want to go to, do I actually have this money to actually carry me to this place? These are some questions that you need to put into consideration. My main aim of making this video is just to let you know that you need to be strategic. Now, admissions is open. Don't wait now until next year, June, July. You start saying you want to apply. What are you doing now? Prepare now. Even the admissions that are opening next year, prepare and do your application. Okay? I hope this will help you.